Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AMC Plus on Apple TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate AMC Plus on your Apple TV, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your Apple TV. Use the search function to locate the AMC Plus app. Once found, select the app and click on Get to download it. After the download is complete, open the AMC Plus app. You will see a welcome screen with options to log in or sign up. If you already have an AMC Plus account, select the Login option. You will then be prompted to enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, choose the option to sign up for a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your new AMC Plus account. After logging in or signing up, you will receive an activation code. Make a note of this activation code for the next steps. Now, on a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Visit the AMC Plus activation page at the designated URL. Enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV. Click on the Activate button to confirm. Return to your Apple TV, and you should see a message indicating that your device is activated. You are now ready to enjoy AMC Plus content on your Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.